Hey guys, Austin Hilton here. How are you doing? This video we're going to be talking about one of my favorite companies, Palantir, bringing you just a piece of breaking information that Palantir has just won a very, very large contract. So I'm going to show you what that contract here is in a minute. This is a very big deal related to their business, a long-term contract. And as you guys know, I'm extremely bullish on Palantir. I think that this is a $40 to $50 stock inside of 12 months, as well as north of $100 a share for this stock inside of 2 years. That is my opinion. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and if you're getting value out of this video, do two things. Number one, subscribe to the channel, because I'm here every day bringing you videos, a lot of Palantir videos. I seem to becoming one of the guys on YouTube that is always reporting on Palantir, which I'm happy to do, because this is a cool company. I'm a firm believer in their technology, their business model. They're a leader in their space. They are going to go up and up in the long run. As well as, please drop a like on this video if you're getting value out of it. That helps the video. It helps me out. I'm here working for you every day because I have one simple goal. That's to help you make more money in the stock market. So with all that, let's go take a look at what I've got for you today on Palantir. Okay, so you can see that as of right now, Palantir is trading at $24.34. It's actually up 5.5% today. I actually believe it's up on the news that I'm about to show you. I always like to look at the 6-month chart, because the 6-month chart, I always do this in every Palantir video. I firmly believe that this is our support line and our resistance line. And again, at these levels, I think that this is a buying opportunity. At $40 per share, that is, what is that? Don't do math in public. That's a 40 to 50+%, not quite, but gain. Math was never my strong suit. Plus, you guys know me right now. I'm fighting allergies, and it's killing me right now. But I want to keep making you these videos, and my allergies are worse in the morning, and I make these videos in the morning. So there you go. Okay, so $24.34. This is our resistance level. I think we're going to continue to rise up here. You can see right here the stock has really gone up pretty nicely in the last 5-6+ days, and it's rising again. 5% of that, 10% is just in today. Okay, so it's definitely rising up today, and it's rising on this news, I believe firmly. So Palantir, this news is breaking today. It's actually just out today. Palantir's been selected for government's SAFER project worth $89.9 million. I always want to stress that whatever the initial face value of a contract is not the total, that's it. Because you guys know, I've told you this a couple times, I was in the software business. I was a corporate software salesperson back in the 90s. That's a long time ago, but I did a lot of selling these big deals into big companies. And what happens is, just to clarify and to kind of show you, paint the picture for you, what happens is when a company like Palantir gets an initial deal into well, it doesn't matter if it's the government or if it's the private sector, that's the initial one. But what happens is they get into that company or that government operation, and then they start to find other projects. So it just balloons and becomes even a bigger project, a bigger deal. More revenue streams is really what I'm getting at. Okay, so this initial contract is worth $89.9 million. So the National Nuclear Security Administration has selected Palantir for providing its Office of Safety, Infrastructure, and Operations with a platform for effective knowledge management and data-driven decision making in an agreement valued at $89.9 million for up to 5 years. Okay, for up to 5 years. Again, it's going to be bigger than the 89.9 because they're going to find other projects inside of the National Nuclear Security Administration, the NNSA. This is Palantir's first contract with the NNSA, serving for its safety analytics, forecasting, and evaluation reporting SAFER project. Palantir's software enables data integration across the enterprise regardless of data types or sources system. And its granular security module is uniquely suited for the NNSA to collaborate across its sites securely. Palantir is trading up at 3.9 higher market. We already know it's trading up higher than that. It's trading at 5.5 up. And the people at Seeking Alpha are extremely bullish on this stock. So let's wrap it up with a few final thoughts. So I actually wasn't going to do a Palantir video today, but I just was checking on it, and then I saw this breaking information, and I'm like, yep, I got to bring that to you guys because that's really my goal. My goal is to keep you aware with all the latest and greatest things going on with Palantir, as well as other stocks. As you guys know, I cover a ton more stocks on my channel. So again, consider subscribing if you're digging the content I'm putting out for you. Again, I think that this is a extremely good buying opportunity right now at the current levels we're sitting at in the $24, $25 range. I own shares of this company. I have added shares of this company at these levels. Going to continue to add shares. I think that this company is just, again, what they do better than anybody else. I've done a ton of videos on Palantir here on my channel. You're welcome to go check them out. I'm also, again, I know that ARK, the folks over at ARK have a tremendous amount of Palantir. That helps me sleep better at night as well, related to this stock. Again, I believe in the stock. I'm only using that as another point of clarification. If you didn't know that, I'm assuming you did. Everybody pretty much knows that ARK is a huge supporter and investor in Palantir. This company is just going to continue to innovate and going to continue to do it better than everybody else. I've got videos on my channel telling you kind of what they do effectively. If you're not really familiar with them, it's kind of hard to understand. Really, Palantir makes a analytic and data management platform that ties in all the different data sources of a respective organization like the NNSA or private sector businesses, and helps these companies to make better decisions. Also, they handle tremendously large amounts of data to basically bring all that data into one place so that a company and or a government organization can make better decisions for their respective clients, customers, things of that nature. What Palantir does is unique in the capacity that they do it just about better than everybody else. Their main competitor is Snowflake, and I think Palantir it just is a leader in their industry, and they will continue to do that. I always say this, and usually in most of my videos, if you don't know this, they gave $1 billion worth of stock grants to their employees back a few months ago, and that shocked a lot of people. But if you take a step back and you understand why they did that, they are investing in their people, and they want because their people are their asset. Their people are the ones that are writing the software and updating and continuing to make the Palantir's technology better. So Palantir investing in their people, to me, was one of the smartest moves. And at over $1 billion in stock grants, that was impressive, to say the least. In fact, that was one of those things for me. It was like made me even more confident in this stock and the company as a whole. So I'm going to end on that note. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already done so, you'll consider subscribing. Please drop a like on this video if you got value out of it. I would genuinely appreciate that. It helps me out, helps the video, helps the channel, all that stuff. I'm here for you. Also, final note, if there's a particular company or stock you would like me to maybe look at, drop it in the comments below. I've already picked up a few. I've already picked up a few additional companies that I hadn't, that frankly I hadn't looked at yet, that I did coverage on. Again, allergies. Skills, I did that the other day. That was one that was from a member here on the channel, and the video did really well. Got over 1,000 plus views in the first day or so. So I'm going to continue to do that. So if there's a company that you want me to cover, you want me to look at, I'll be happy to look at it. If there's enough interest in it, I'll bring the video to you. See ya in the next video. Take care.